Hello everyone and welcome to this live session of tarot reading coming to you complimentary through Blessed Bee, and I am your life coach Malini Rustagi reading tarot for you today. From our last session yesterday, we had a few questions pending in which Radhika had asked about the location of her house, whether it will change or not. So we are going to read for Radhika Bhargav first of all. Yes, Radhika, most probably you will be changing your house and the location will be somewhere in the city. And and there can be a little bit of issues while you are shifting from your present location to this new location. So just be aware of what steps you are taking and what you are telling yourself constantly. That would be my suggestion to you. And the next question was by Poonam, and she wanted to know about her career. So we are going to read the future of her career, her future, near future, and far future. Your career is like an investment for you, so there will be a little more time that it will take, and in this time you can upgrade yourself. You can look at your journey, what have you done up till now and where you want to reach. You can evaluate yourself, you can update yourself, and you can become a better version of yourself in this waiting time that your profession is seeking from you. So right now, since it is taking time for people to join in, so let us talk about tarot only. Tarot is not only used for the sole purpose of future reading or what was there in the past or what is going on in present. It is also used for the purpose of healing. So when I say that tarot is used for the purpose of healing, we use the numbers, we use the pictures, we use the meaning of the card, we build up a story, and we heal the situations. It can be a reading, it can be a healing done at a personal level, it can be a healing done for a particular situation, it can be anything. And tarot healing is far more stronger than any other sort of healing. So when we do the course of tarot or tarot reading, when we earn a certificate in that, the first level is the basic level in which we read upright cards. In the second level, we read downright cards. This is an upright card. This is a downright card. And in the last level, that is the advanced level, we learn healing through tarot. How can we heal a particular situation? By creating a combination of cards and adding candle magic to it also does wonders. So that is all a part of divination. So if any one of you is interested to learn that, you can connect with me on a personal window for the same. And now I'm going to do a general prediction through tarot. Think of a question in your mind and choose between cards A, B, and C. And I'm going to pick out 3 cards. This is a generalized reading, so even if this session is over and you are getting to watch this, you can still go ahead and think of a question, pick an answer between A, B, and C. Pick an option between A, B, and C, and that will be your answer to the question. So now I'm going to pick 3 cards, A, B, and C. Card number A is Justice. So what does it tells us? Whatever question you have, you will get a justified answer to that. If you are seeking an answer which should be in your favor, or you want it in yes or no, so my answer to that would be that whatever is justified, that will happen. Card number B is 7 of Pentacles. It shows that the money which you have invested will grow. All you got to do is to be patient. If your question is related to finances, if your question is related to business, then this is the time when you need to be patient, and you're definitely in near future your finances are going to improve. Card number C is King of Wands. In this answer, if you're looking forward to a person, if you are seeking some knowledge about a person, then this is your card. And in this card, it is pretty much evident that this person has a lot of patience. He has a gift of gab, and he knows very well how to get people to task. The age of this person must be between 30 to 40 years. And this person is of wheatish complexion. I hope that answers your query, and if you have any further queries, you can write to me on this page, Blessed Be, and I'll be more than happy to answer it for you tomorrow in the next session. Thank you so much.